Welcome back. Today we are here and we're going to be playing Slimy Sand. But we'll shout out to my sister. She's the one recording me right now. Her name is Unicorn Funlands. Get her some subscribers. I already beat the game, but I'm just going to do it for you guys. So, make sure to always look at this. Don't look at the TV. I really wish I had a cat. Her nickname is Janelle. That's just what I call her. So, okay. By the way, guys, I'm playing this on my Switch, as you can see. Wait, show it on the screen and half on the TV. Look at the TV. Look. No, at the TV. See, I am moving it. So I just wasted my time. No, oh my God! What we're supposed to do is you get through the levels as quick as you can, so that acid won't do anything to you or kill you. So I'm just speedrunning this, guys. That's a habit of posting. It's because I just haven't felt like being a plus I was sick, right? Yeah, she said yes. It's a she, just so you know. So, this game actually only has 3 colors. I just noticed that. No, 5 colors. Because there's blue, white, green, pink, black. There's black and pink. Yeah, so that's 5 colors, right? Hopefully you guys could see. Hopefully you guys could see all the button inputs that way. Ah! Oh my God! Oh, I died. So, sorry for any background noises. But some of these get really hard and really quickly. So you could do this to get in. So yeah, I personally bought this game knowing nothing about it. And then when I played the first level, I'm like, oh my God. Exactly. I went, oh my God. Duck Norris. That just said Duck Norris. Sorry for background noises. Okay. This part I always try to do without using the green thing, because you could blend in with the green things by pushing a specific type of button, which is when you go like that. And you could go through them. Also, it's basically slow-mo. I call it slow mode. Ah! Sorry, you might be so good at this and cringing at how bad I am. Sorry, it's just me. It wasn't my decision. I had no idea what this game was. And sorry guys, I haven't been posting for quite a while, because, yeah, I already said it. Is it a bird? A plane? No, it's a slime. I mean, there is a bird, so, yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't know why, it just reminds me of Splatoon. Oh no, I forgot about this. I think I could do it though. Okay. Yeah, I did it. Oh God, died there. Push it. Oh my God, the acid's right above me. Go. Ah! Oh crap, no, guy. I said guy instead of die. Did anyone else notice that? I mean, I can make live streams, but I don't know. I might make one after this, but I'm not sure exactly. I'm not sure. No, there's 10 and I don't know. Okay, that's... I always do this part slow. Oh, crud. Slow-mo. Because it's much easier like that. Ah. Okay, it's rising. No. Let me. Oh, God. Go. Oh, God. No. This one, I don't know what to say about it. Okay. Go. Skip that thing! Oh God, no. How did I do that? I just turned and jumped. Like, oh God. Okay, This gets really intense. If you mess up one bit, you're probably going to die. Ay, what am I doing here? What am I supposed to do? No, go up. Go. Oh God, the acid was rising. So we're almost done, guys. Just so you know. There's 10 levels, and we're not even done with one. And yes, we are. We're done with one. Which is the great thing. No, I died! And the timer goes quick. And once you're in slow mode, the timer doesn't slow down, just the game. Okay, go. I don't know why. This just looks like a turtle. By the way, guys, comment down below if you comment down pancakes if you made it this far. Pancakes. 7. So yeah, we're almost done. I'll meet you guys when I'm done with this. You guys actually went 2 levels. We were on the 8th level. Now we're on the 10th. I went through the 9th because it's really fun. So guys, you can see my controllers down there in the bottom left. Never mind, now you... Oh, God! Okay, now you can't. Oh, God! Ah! Oh, God, no. Ah, no, don't kill me. Oh, my gosh, this was scary. Ah, no, please, no. Ah, this is so scary, guys. Oh, God, there's acid. The acid should have killed everyone else. Look how fast the acid meter's going. And there we go. I beat the demo. By the way, guys, my friend code on a Switch is this. Is there. Pause it. Okay, bye. Oh yeah, I might do a stream. So bye guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.